Alright guys, let's get it. I'm being a little quiet because it's still in the morning. I'm in a hotel. I want to make a lot of noise. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so right now we're heading to New York where the Statue of Liberty's at. So let's see how it goes. I've never been to New York actually. So we're like an hour and 16 minutes away. So yeah, let's get it. Kind of excited because I've only seen the Statue of Liberty in movies, and I've heard that you can actually go in there. So see how it goes. Let's see how whenever we get there we can actually go in there. I also researched that you can go like in a ferry and it'll take you around the Statue of Liberty. So yeah, let's go over there and I'm gonna take you guys so you can see what's up. I'll start recording whenever I'm closer, and stay tuned. What is up, guys? I had a good time. I went on a cruise, as you can see on the footage. I'm now recording with my GoPro because my other camera, the Sony camera, I think I didn't charge it last night. It wasn't low battery, but it wasn't full charge. And my dumbass, since I don't know the camera that well, I was watching some videos and some were on slow motion. So, oh well, they still look bad. But yeah, I had a blast. Something new to me. Real nice scenery. For some reason they didn't let me fly the drone. I wasn't able to get some aerial footage. This is the New Jersey side. I'm about to try to head to the New York side if there's not a lot of traffic, but we'll see. So stay tuned. The video's still going on.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue